Hi everyone, good morning. It's Daniel, the Bald Scrambler, and today I will be going up the grade 3 Cneifion Arete Scramble, which is just above Chimney, which you can see behind me. And if you're not sure of where this is, or you never heard the name before, here is a little look at the route I will be taking today. And you can probably just make out a gully, which is Senior's Gully. I'll then come up onto Cneifion Arete, onto Scrambling Ridge, up to the top with the Valley. I'll then come down Senior's Ridge, back into the gully and back down to the lake. If you've never been up here before, I think Senior's Gully is a good scrambling route for beginners. Holds quite a bit of moisture, but it's not particularly steep. Just the usual hazards that you'll find in a gully, just a little bit shallower. So I think it's a good introduction to gully scrambling. A little bit slippery in here today. Even though we haven't had a lot of rain, it's still holding a bit of moisture. Just need to be that little bit careful. Even though it is a low grade 1, it's still got the potential for a nasty fall in here. Here we are. Cneifion Arete. So I've made it up to the start of the route. You've got Senior's Gully that I came up here, and that's where I took some nice photos overlooking the lake. Senior's Ridge over there, lovely grade 1 scramble. Really enjoyed that, I've done that in the winter. And then behind me, I've got the start of Cneifion Arete, which is a grade 3 route on absolutely perfect rock. Have a look at this. So this is the start up here. There's the nasty step over here. And it's fairly steep for the first, I'd say maybe 25-30 meters. And then it comes a little bit more blocky, better holds further up, but still really good quality grade 3 scrambling all the way up to the top. Just that first bit is the crux, as you can see there. Quite steep, and the holds, there's plenty of them, just a little bit on the shallow side. Well, I don't know how well you saw that. I literally went up the well-worn rocks, sort of veering slightly to the left, and then I can see that there was a step over to the right. I mean, I'm quite tall, I'm 6'2", so that step over wasn't too bad for me, but I'd imagine somebody who's maybe 5'2", that could be quite a reach stepping over to the right there. Rocks are really solid on here, bone dry, nice and grippy. I haven't come across any loose rocks so far. Just some of the holds on there are just a little bit small, a little bit narrow, that's all. And obviously plenty of exposure down there, but that's the crux done. Really enjoyed that, pretty much what I'd expect from a grade 3 scramble. It's a little bit windy today as well, which added a little bit of interest to the scramble. So I am now below the chimney section, which I'll show you now. It is straight up there, but you can bypass it on the left. Easily bypassable on the left, but I'm going to go up the middle just for the fun of it. Into the chimney I go. This should be fun. Nice. Little undercling there. Yeah. Oh, I enjoyed that. Oh, windy day. Whew. God. Well, that's a nice little chimney. A couple of little bridging moves, scissor moves in there with my feet, and kind of slithered my way up the chimney. I think that's pretty much the hardest part of the route done now. The rest is just some good quality, enjoyable scrambling. As you can see, the line's pretty obvious from here, following the crest and then up to the left. Anyway, so far I would describe the rock I've encountered as pretty solid, good quality rock, stable, not too slippery, nothing loose yet, and just generally an all-round enjoyable afternoon. that's me topped out of Cneifion Arete, grade 3 scramble in Snowdonia. Really enjoyed that today. Fantastic little scramble. I left that a little bit later in the day. I was going to do this first thing, but it was a little bit cloudy this morning. I thought maybe the rocks might be a little bit wet, but I came here about 11:30. I think I started, bone dry all the way up. Really enjoyed that. Nice, interesting start. A couple of sort of steep sections where I really had to step over to the right. Plenty of exposure down there, and then beyond that there was a couple of other sections up there which were worthy of the grade 3 rating, but apart from that it was just fantastic scrambling all the way up on a lovely day. And I'm at the top looking down Llynidwal behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. I'm probably going to go up Eagrimmon, maybe go up to Glidavach, up to the summit, and then maybe down Seniors Ridge, and then down to the gully where I started off earlier today, and then back down to the lake.